A quick 1-minute fix to get your L2 front derailleurs shifting properly. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Does your front derailleur shift like this? If this is happening, that means your front derailleur needs to be tuned. You need to adjust these two limiter screws to get your derailleur working right. To start off, shift to the largest crank in the front and the smallest cog at the back. Adjust the limiter screw so the gap between the chain and the derailleur is not too much. Once that is done, shift to the smallest crank in the front and the largest cog in the rear. Adjust the limiter screw so that there's a nice little gap between the chain and the derailleur. If you've done this right, your gears should shift smoothly. If not, go back and repeat once again. So this is how you tune your L2 front derailleurs. That's it for now. Until next time, safe ride everyone.